Hello, my name is Charles Sanders, and I'm a personal injury lawyer with the Rose Sanders Law Firm. And today we're going to talk about what the Stowers Doctrine is and what Stowerizing, or setting a policy limits demand to the other side, does in your personal injury case. Well, the Stowers Doctrine comes out of the most famous rear end in Texas history, where two Model T Fords of the 20s rear-ended each other. And the third party, that is the person that caused the accident, could have settled the case for like $400, but didn't act in good faith. They went to trial and they got hit for like $6,000. Now, $6,000 in the 20s, that's a lot of money. So I did that today on a case. I sent Stowers in. The bills were $76,000 on a $35,000 policy, and that shows the adjuster, hey, you're either going to pay the 30 or you're going to get hit for 70 and have bad faith. So that's what the Stowers Doctrine does. Now, if you have been in an accident and you need help, you need a lawyer, things aren't going your way, insurance companies giving you the runaround, you might need to eventually Stowerize your insurance company that you're going after. And that's where we come in. You can give us a call at 713-221-3773. We got offices in Dallas, McAllen, El Paso, and Houston. And if you like our channel, don't hesitate to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And hopefully I'll never, ever, ever have to see you at my office.